We've made it to the last question in the RCM process. Well done if you've made it through all 6 yourself. But question 7 is about what should be done if a suitable proactive task can't be found. So in this video, I'm going to explain what a default task is, all in just 2 minutes. Question 6 asked us to have a look at what should be done to reduce the risk of the failure by either preventing it or predicting it before it fails. If one can't be found or justified, we have to select a suitable default option. There's 3 categories in this option. Number 1, failure finding task, where we check for failures we cannot see periodically to see if they've failed. For example, a backup level sensor on a water storage tank is designed to alarm if the first sensor doesn't work and the tank starts to overfill. So in this case, we should do a function check, say every month or every 6 months, to make sure that it's still working. 2, redesign. Finally, the engineers get their chance to jump in and make a modification or an improvement. Maybe the alarm on a tank was found to be consistently failing, so we might want to modify it to increase the system integrity levels. 3, no scheduled maintenance. In other words, just run it till it fails. Perhaps there's an electronic sign advertising the company on the side of the storage tank, and the consequence of the failure if those lights go out are pretty low. So it's probably not worth us doing any maintenance on that. Just run it until one of the lights fail, replace it, and on we go. As you can see, the selection of tasks for both question 6 and 7 is a really simple way to decide the most suitable task using the RCM process, whether that's proactive, if it's technically feasible and worth doing, or a default task if not. I hope you found these 2-minute talk videos on the 7 questions of RCM useful. There's plenty more maintenance and reliability videos to come, so make sure you don't miss any by subscribing, and let me know if there's anything in particular you want to hear about. See you next time.